Explore the charm of farm animals and spot the intruder. Options: Jersey, sheep, platypus, goat, pig. Which is the odd one here? Answer: platypus. Jersey is gentle and small, known for high butterfat milk. Goat is a hardy and versatile animal offering milk and meat. Sheep provides wool, grazing peacefully in meadows. Pig is intelligent and social, valued for pork across the world. Platypus is the odd one. It's a quirky, egg-laying mammal, definitely not from any barn. Thank you for watching. Follow and subscribe at Brain and Mind Gym for everyday micro lessons. Thank you.